Hello and welcome back. We're going to be making akara the traditional way. Recently, you see people whipping up akara using their hand mixer or electric mixer. In this vlog, we're going to be making akara the traditional way, the way our mothers made it. So regardless of whether you have a mixer or not, once you have a wooden spoon or a spoon in your kitchen or even a pestle, you can properly make akara without stress. Ensure you watch this video to the end to get everything in this vlog.